Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having the most wonderful day. Today I wanted to show you, these are not new, but it's something a little unique. These are the Real Littles backpacks and they are totally adorable. And I have done these on my channel before, but what I have never done is the Haribo Happy Cola one. So I thought I would show you guys today. I think there are spoilers, so we'll not look at those. But I just thought this little backpack was adorable. These little backpacks are $2.99 from Home Bargains. So if anyone is interested in purchasing them, oh, it's sealed. Of course it's sealed. That's where I bought mine. I think $2.99 was a really decent price because I know that these go for so much more than that elsewhere. So I just thought it was totally adorable. If you guys don't know Haribo, where have you been? Haribo are some of my favorite candy, cola bottles in particular. Haribo are a German company, but they're very, very popular in the north of Ireland, all over the UK, and I could not resist buying this one. So I don't even know how to get this thing out. Oh, it's not making it easy. I even love, like, look, they've gone the whole hog, and inside the little packaging, it has cola bottles, which is also very, very adorable. I'm going to put this back in because I want to keep this packaging because I think it is very adorable. And this is what our little backpack looks like. The front is glittery, really, really cute. It's got a film over it so you can't feel the roughness of the glitter, and no glitter transfer, which I think is awesome. Little straps at the back, very, very cute and adorable. I love the white color. It really makes the Haribo cola bottle pop. They do also do fizzy cola bottles. Fizzy sweets are not my favorite, so I usually go for the non-fizzy ones, and they're just as delish. And I love that you get a little backpack charm with Haribo. It's too cute and adorable. Inside, you get a set of 6 surprises, and we're going to start with the surprises. So this is what a little sneak peek of what you get inside, and we're just going to go ahead and reach in for the first thing. Oh, the first thing that I'm pulling out is a Haribo sticker. It is this iridescent, glittery, sparkly one, and with the trademark Haribo bear. Too adorable and too cute. In all of the little Real Little backpacks, you get a carabiner. I like this one in particular because it's red and it matches the little charm, which I think is cute. And you can take this charm off and put it on the carabiner. The carabiner is for attaching your little Real Little's backpack to your own backpack. I don't know if that counts as one of the surprises. I can't remember, but I think it probably might. You get an itty bitty pen. Itty bitty bitty bitty. It is tiny, but it has cola bottles at the bottom. It just opens by pulling the 2 parts apart, and I mean it looks like black ink on the inside. A nice little nib. So that's adorable. A little pen, and then we get 2. Pulling both of these out at the same time. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. These are like little mini postcards. It says place your stamp here. You have the Burr logo. You can put the name and address right here. But on the back, it has Haribo cola bottle, which is cute and adorable. And then we have another one, exactly the same on the back, but it has this little image, which I also think is cute and adorable. So far, if you're counting these all as a surprise, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 surprises. And I think that we have more than that in here. So these may count as one surprise. Oh, we have a few more things in here. Oh my gosh. Look how dinky and adorable this tiny little ruler is. It only goes from 1 to 6, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It goes from 1 to 6. It's cute and adorable, and again carries the theme of the cola bottle. which is so cute. Nothing on the back, but that's nothing sad. It is cute and adorable. And then we have another, we have another sticker. So this might also count. So these might be one item or one surprise, maybe. I'm not sure, but I love how glittery they are. And this one has the little logo, and it has a couple of cola bottles, and this is 3 individual stickers, and I love stickers. I think they're so fun, but they're super cute. I'm just checking what else we have. Okay. Oh my goodness. No way. Okay. I'm going to show you that at the very end, because that is crazy, crazy, crazy. And then you get this little pencil case. It has a cute little zipper close. Let's see what the inside looks like. It's just see-through on the back, and it has the same image as the little postcard, but how cute and adorable. Honestly, this is beyond cute. I don't know if we can fit our little items in here, but before we do that, I mean, this is adorable, but we'll do that in a minute. I want to show you this, because I didn't even see these in the bottom of the bag, which is crazy. You get little stamps to go on your little postcard. Now, these are tiny, so I don't know if you guys can see them, but this is the little Haribo. I keep going to say Hasbro, but I don't mean to. Haribo logo, and I would use this one with this, which is too cute and adorable. And then you have the matching one for our cola bottle one. That is so stinking cute. I mean, so stinking cute. But let's count our items. We have the ruler, 1, the pen, the carabiner. I probably wouldn't count that as a surprise. But we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 surprises. So our 6 surprises are our pen. It is our ruler. It is our little pack to go inside it. The stickers count, double stickers count as 1 item. This is not easy to get these all to stay together. Our little postcard is 1 item, and then our 2 stamps, which I'm going to have to hold in this hand, are also 1 item, which I think is great, because in reality, you're getting 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the carabiner at 10. So I think that's pretty awesome. But I wanted to check what we could actually get inside this little bag. So we can get our... we can get our postcards. They fit perfectly. We can get our little stamps. Also fit perfectly. We can get our stickers, I believe. Can we get our stickers in? We can get our stickers in fine. The pen is not going to fit. It's just too big. It doesn't fit, which is, again, fine. Our ruler... Oh, and we can get our ruler in. So the only thing that we cannot fit inside our little pack is the pen. But what you can do with the pen is just hook it on the top and keep it all together. Or alternatively, put it inside your backpack. But guys, how cute and adorable is this little item? This is totally going on my backpack. It is fun and amazing. And even if you run out of the little bits, you can put a lip gloss in here. You can put some wipes, some tissues. So it is actually practical and handy. But for me, I just think it is so stinking cute. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. I think it's one of my favorites so far. I do definitely have to grab some more of the Real Littles while I can. They did have a couple of other unusual ones that I didn't pick up at the time. I'm slightly regretting it now, but I will pick them up. And again, we can do another little video. But guys, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. As always, you're phenomenal, amazing, phenomenal. I would be ever so grateful if you guys like this video, that you smash the like button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified of any of my future videos, and also subscribe. Please feel free to share this video with your family and friends. I would be very grateful. And leave comments in the comment section below. I love hearing your feedback, love hearing your comments. And I do respond as soon as I possibly can. With that said, thank you again so much. Take care, stay safe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.